In this video, we will discuss about the electric current. Electric current is basically the rate of flow of charge, or it is a resultant flow of charge per unit time in a given cross-sectional area. Suppose this is your one section of wire and the current is flowing through this one section wire along this direction. Then the amount of charge, if I draw any cross-sectional area over here, then what is the resultant flow of charge in a one particular direction? Let, for example, if I take this section of the wire little bit more large in size, so let Q1 charge is crossing along this direction, and Q2 charge is crossing in this direction in a particular time, in time t. Then the resultant flow of charge in this section will be Q1 minus Q2. Then the current is given by the amount of your resultant flow of charge per unit time. So that is delta t. The current is measured in ampere, or we can say that its SI unit of current is ampere. If 1 coulomb charge crosses a given cross-sectional area in 1 second, then the current is said to be 1 ampere. That is, if you have a wire, in this wire, if I draw any cross-sectional area or given any cross-sectional area, and in this cross-sectional area let 1 coulomb charge is crossing in 1 second. अगर एक सेक्शन ऑफ वायर में ऐसे कट करके बनाऊं तो, या फिर मैं एक ऐसी चीज़ लगाता हूं जो कि मेजर करता है कि कितना चार्ज फ्लो करता है, अगर मैं उस मेजरिंग डिवाइस से ये पता कर पाऊं कि 1 कूलम चार्ज फ्लो करता है 1 सेकेंड में, तब हम बोलेंगे कि इस वायर में जो करंट है दैट इज 1 एम्पियर. So that is known as a, so this is this much. Now next is your instantaneous current. So if you see carefully, if we have taken that the average current is given by the amount of charge, your resultant flow of charge in 1 second per unit time taken, यानी कि कितने टाइम में डेल्टा क्यू चार्ज क्रॉस करता है किसी गिवन क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया में. ठीक है ना. मान लो ये है, अगर मान लो दिस इज योर एक सेक्शन है, सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वायर, एक एरिया को मैंने ऐसे कट कर दिया, तो मैंने देखा कि कितना चार्ज फ्लो करता है इस सेक्शन में, इस प्लेन को कितना चार्ज क्रॉस करता है. ठीक है. सो दैट इज डेल्टा क्यू, एंड आई से डेल्टा क्यू चार्ज इज क्रॉसिंग in how much time? Delta t time. So this is your current, or we can also say that is average value of the current. Now if I want to calculate the instant value of current, so then what we do is we take the delta t approaches to 0. So according to the definition of differentiation, so this becomes dq divided by dt. Now suppose if you have given, if q charge is given at any instant t square plus 2t, then the current will be given by differentiating the charge q. So that is d by dq d by dt t square plus 2t. If you solve it, the integration of t square is 2t and integration of 2t is 2. So this will be the current at a time t. One more question usually asked in this case is that 1 coulomb charge contains how many electrons? 1 coulomb charge contains 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons.